New chapter for class 8 is polynomials. Chapter 8 Polynomials. What are the polynomials? An algebraic expression in which the exponent of the variable are non-negative integers are called polynomials. Okay, the exponent of a variable is a non-negative integer. Like, suppose a polynomial in number x is also a polynomial, 1 is polynomial, 0 is polynomial, x plus y is a polynomial, x square plus y square is also a polynomial. All are the polynomials. And the exponent of the variable, it means the variable, it is x. The exponent of this non-negative integer. Non-negative integer means positive integer. Non-negative means positive integer. Positive integer means numbers 0, 1, 2, 3 and so on. Positive integers 0, 1, 2, 3 and so on. Now any polynomial contains only one term is known as the monomial. Like x, it is a monomial. 2x is also a monomial, and 1 is also a monomial. If a algebraic expression contains only one term is known as the monomial. And a polynomial which contains two terms like x plus y, x plus 2, y minus 3, all are the binomial because it contains two terms. Okay, and the three terms 1, 2, 3, x minus y plus 2, these are the trinomials. And the four terms by quadratic polynomial. Okay? Polynomial is always written in the standard form. The degree of polynomials. The degree of polynomials means highest power of the variable is known as the degree. Like 2x plus 5, in which the exponent of x is 1. It means the degree equal to 1. Highest power, it write x square plus x plus 1. In this the highest power is 2, therefore degree equal to 2. X raised to power 100 plus x raised to power 30 and x raised to power 15 plus 2, it is a polynomial and the degree is 100. The highest power is known as the degree of the polynomial. If the degree equal to 1, it is linear polynomial. If the degree is 2, it is quadratic polynomial. And degree is 3, it means it is a cubic polynomial. And the by 4, it is biquadratic polynomial. Okay. Now the worksheet number 1. The worksheet 1 is find out whether the given expression is a polynomial or not. If not, give reasons. These are the sum of the 5x cube minus 4x square plus 1 by 2. All the exponents are positive. It means it is a polynomial. And in this root 3 z square minus 5 root z plus 6. It means the exponent of the variable is not a positive integer. In this the power is 1 by 2. Next, it is also a polynomial because all the exponents are positive. And the next one, this is not a polynomial because the exponent of the variables are not in the form of positive integers. They are rational numbers 2 by 3, 3 by 2 and so on. It is not a polynomial. This is also not a polynomial because the x raised to power minus 1, x raised to power minus 2. Okay, the exponent of the variable is not in the form of positive integer. And the last one, p4 minus 3 raised to p cube minus p plus 1. It is also a polynomial because all the exponents of the variable are positive. Next, question number 2. Write each of the following polynomial in the standard form and also write down their degree. Okay. These are the 10 questions. Okay. Now the took a first part. First we have to write in the standard form. Standard form means the decreasing order of their exponents. It means first 9. 8 p raised to power 9. This is the highest exponent. Next 7, it means plus p7 plus p raised to power 6. Decreasing order of the exponents. Okay. We have to write the terms in the decreasing order of exponent. Now degree. Degree is highest power of the polynomial is 9. Therefore the degree equal to 9. And the second one same. Arrange in the standard form. The first we have to write this term because the exponent of this term is 5. Okay. The next z 2z raised to power 4 plus 4z cube plus z plus 1. It means the highest power of this variable, it means degree, equal to 5. Okay. And the third one, third is here, x plus 2 by 3, x plus 3 by 4. So we can now find the product of these by using the identity x plus a and x plus b. This identity equal to x square plus in bracket 2 by 3 plus 3 by 4. It means a plus b into x plus a into b. 3 cancel, 1 by 2. Now add 4 3 LCM, take LCM 12. 3 4 ja 4 2 ja 8 4 and 9. It means it is 17 by 12 x plus 1 by 2. This is in the standard form, the polynomial. Now the degree, the highest power equal to 2. Here is the power 1, here is the 2. Highest power is 2. And the same next one, same will be solved by the using identity x square in bracket a plus b into x plus AB means multiplied these two numbers. Okay. So now x raised to power 4 plus 2 by 3 x square and minus 8 by 9. This is in the standard form. Now write the degree, means degree equal to 4. Next fifth one is z square plus 5 z square minus 6. This will also explained by the same formula x plus a and x plus b. 5 minus 6 into z square plus 5 into minus 6. It is z raised to power 4 minus z square minus 30. Sixth one, same product. In this y cube raised to power 2 in bracket minus 4 minus 5 into y cube plus minus 4 into minus 5. It is y raised to power 6 minus 9y cube plus 20. This is also in the standard form, descending order of the exponents, powers. Degree equal to 6. Highest power is 6. 7. P square plus p square plus 2 p square plus 7. Now multiplied by using same identity 2 plus 7 into p square plus 2 into 7. It is p raised to power 4 plus 9p square plus 14. Okay, this is equal to this. Now degree equal to 4. Highest power is 4, therefore degree equal to 4 in this. No need to multiply, just arrange in the descending order of the exponents. The first term is 2 by 3 z raised to power 3. Next z square term 3 by 4 z square. 5 by 6 z plus 1. This is in the standard form. Now degree equal to 3. Highest power is 3. Next 9 and 10. Just arrange in the standard form. The first 15p raised to power 6. Highest power is this. Now 5 plus 4p square plus 4p plus 3. The highest power of the variable is 6. And the last one is q raised to power 10 plus q raised to power 6 minus q raised to power 4 plus q raised to power 8. Now arrange in the standard form. This is in the standard form, descending order. Now the degree equal to 10. The highest power is 10, therefore degree equal to 10. The worksheet 1 is finished now. Okay, thank you.